Hello, beautiful people. I am going to give you an overview for Monday's work. Please pay attention because it's a little bit different from what we normally do. So you're going to click on your Fitzy's remote learning, and the first thing I need you to do, please, is to take attendance for the day. First thing. And then after that, I have posted 8.5 notes. It's video notes. The video will take about 13 minutes, so I would give yourself maybe up to 30 minutes in order to go ahead and get that done. And then there's a book assignment. There's about 6 problems there for that. I think it should take maybe 30 minutes, but if you need extra time, you have extra time. I have allotted a good 2 hours, really not necessary, maybe an hour it'll take you to do that portion of it. I need that uploaded on Monday by 3 o'clock. Monday, Monday, Monday. I don't want it Tuesday as we've done in the past because the following week is going to be our last class, and I want you to have enough time to just do the classwork and get it submitted. Therefore, after you have done the book work for Monday, I need you to do the 8.6 notes. You can do that on your own time as long as you get it done by Monday the 25th. So for Monday, I want you to take your notes, and then I want you to do the book assignment. You can Zoom with me from 2 to 2:30 if you need a little bit of extra help. Love to see your faces. And then I think that should be it. Also, shout out to everyone that's kind of been stopping in just to say hey and just to say hi. Great to talk to you guys. Great to chat with you guys. Miss you all dearly, and I hope that you have a great weekend. Bye.